Third down and 10. Here comes pressure by the Bears, and the open man is Marvin Jones. And Jones still on his feet, getting inside the 30-yard line. Marvin Jones, 9 TD passes a year ago. Big one here.
Yeah, great play call by Darrell Bevel. You see Danny Trevathan, the linebacker on Marvin Jones. Easy mismatch. Matthew Stafford knew that as soon as the play started, that's where he was going. And then, hello, Jalen Johnson. Better wake up. This is not practice. Oh, that's the way to deliver the blow right there.